I tried horse gelatin for men 90-day test. Results, benefits, and safety in this video. I'm taking a research-based look at what could realistically happen after using so-called horse gelatin for 90 days, including the potential benefits, limitations, and safety concerns, and whether the viral claims about men's performance have any scientific support. And the horse gelatin product is tagged with this video, so you can check the exact product directly while watching and review its ingredients and current options. First, we need to clear up the biggest misconception. The phrase horse gelatin for men has become associated online with gelatin-based male performance remedies. But many versions of the viral recipe actually use ordinary unflavored gelatin rather than gelatin derived from horses. Gelatin itself is a collagen-derived protein rich in amino acids such as glycine and proline. So what could you realistically notice over 90 days? The strongest scientific argument for gelatin or collagen supplementation has nothing specifically to do with male sexual performance. Collagen-related supplements have been studied primarily for areas such as skin and connective tissue health. A recent systematic review of randomized trials found possible improvements in measures such as skin hydration and elasticity. Although the researchers also found that many studies had a high risk of bias and said better trials are still needed. So if you're expecting dramatic changes in testosterone, libido, erections, or male performance after 30, 60, or 90 days, the evidence simply isn't there. I couldn't find credible peer-reviewed clinical evidence showing that horse-derived gelatin specifically increases testosterone or acts as an effective treatment for erectile dysfunction. Claims circulating online about dramatic male enhancement effects therefore shouldn't be treated as established medical facts. That's especially important because improvement during a personal 90-day experiment doesn't prove that the supplement caused it. Sleep, exercise, weight changes, stress, diet, medications, alcohol consumption, and even expectation can influence how someone feels. Safety and product quality matter as well. If you're purchasing a product marketed as a dietary supplement, check exactly what's in it rather than assuming that natural means automatically safe. In the United States, the FDA requires dietary supplement labels to identify dietary ingredients and other ingredients, along with serving information. Here's a pro tip. If you're genuinely testing any wellness supplement for 90 days, establish your baseline first. Track only a few meaningful outcomes consistently and avoid simultaneously changing your diet, sleep, exercise program, and 5 other supplements. Otherwise, you won't know what's responsible for any change you notice. And be particularly skeptical of products promising immediate testosterone increases, dramatically stronger erections, or prescription-like sexual effects from gelatin. Those are extraordinary claims that require strong clinical evidence. If erectile function or unusually low libido is the reason you're considering the product, don't use gelatin as a substitute for medical evaluation. Persistent changes can have many causes, and a qualified healthcare professional can help identify them. So after looking at the evidence, my verdict is straightforward. Gelatin can provide protein and collagen-related amino acids, and collagen supplementation may have benefits in certain areas. But there isn't good evidence that horse gelatin is a special male performance supplement. The horse gelatin product is tagged with this video, so check the tagged product carefully and review its actual ingredients before deciding whether it's worth adding to your routine. If you found this 90-day review helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which supplement or wellness product you want me to investigate next.